Hey guys, what's up? It's Maleniumm and I'm going to try the makeup tutorial that Kylie did I think it was for Vogue. I have gathered here some products and we're gonna try to do her look but using very affordable products. If you're ready for this, then just keep on watching.
I already moisturized and put chapstick on.
I did moisturize and I did apply some chapstick. I did my brows already because that takes forever. All right, and now she lines up her brows with a little brush like this. This one's from AOA. And I'm going to take my Flower Beauty concealer. This one's called Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to just apply a little bit of this on my brush and outline. She applied the concealer all over her eyelid, which is kind of smart. That way all the veins on your eyelid are not visible. Some face powder. I have here the RCMA No Color Powder. This is what I use for baking. And then just set my eyelids. She's using her palette, but we have here the Morphe 350 palette. I believe that's what it's called. She's gonna use a lot of browns and oranges, and I thought this was perfect for that. And she takes a very light orange shade first, so I'm going to take this one right here and I'm just going to dust it all over my eyelid. And then she takes the very shimmery shadow. I'm taking this third one right here just because this one has shimmer on it, and I'm going to place it right underneath my eyebrow.
Now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown. Kind of gives me more of like a cut crease.
Probably this color right here. She just applied it right underneath that color she had already applied. That's a really pretty color. I'm going to use this shade right here, but it is like a gold color but with a coppery undertone. And she applies it with her finger. You know what? It's kind of spot on.
Definitely, I think, my favorite gold I've ever created. I think I'm gonna do some.
Now she's gonna use a very orange, bright shimmery orange. The only shimmery orange we have is this one right here, but I think it might be, I don't know if it's bright enough. We'll just go ahead and try. She just applies it to her inner corner. And you know what? Since it's not as bright as hers, I'm going to mix it up with this one right here. So this one and this one. I'm going to take a makeup wipe.
And then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just wipe the excess.
Alright, so the drops that she has are kind of like illuminating drops. And the one that I'm using today is the Spotlight from Physicians Formula. And it's also pretty shimmery. And I'm going to mix that up with my Pro Matte from LA Girl. This is so affordable. It's like $6 or $7. I got this at Ulta actually. So I did 2 pumps and 2 pumps. And she's using a foundation. She's using a foundation brush. So I'm using this one from AOA as well.
Really into makeup. I think I just used to watch my mom a lot maybe, and I used to like steal all her makeup, and she had these two.
I feel like that's why I'm into makeup as well. Just watching your family growing up. I'm going to also take my beauty blender and kind of blend it better. I feel like the beauty blender really does blend things more than the brush. All right, now she's lining her brows again. And I actually do my eyebrows at the end of my makeup just because I try not to get foundation all over them. To contour, I'm using the Butter Bronzer. This is by Physicians Formula. It smells delicious, it's amazing, and I'm pretty sure everybody has heard about this. And now she's going in and carving it out.
Take this. It's important to do this after your bronzer because I feel like that's what is. I don't know. I really don't know. But it's important you do it after your bronzer. I can't do my makeup without baking. I think it really does help. And for anyone who doesn't know what it is, baking actually, like, it's like the powder is like soaking in to your skin and leaving like
So she just leaves this on. Now we're using some lip liner. This one's by Essence. You can find this at Ulta. These are really good, and I like that you don't have to sharpen them. You just twist them up. Lovely Frappuccino.
I do it with my eyes closed. It's pretty good. It was actually a funny
Shall we try? Oh, wasn't that bad.
A long time ago. And she accidentally took out her black eyeliner instead of her lip liner, and she lined her lips with black eyeliner.
That would have been hilarious. And now I'm going to use the ColourPop Times Square. This is like $6.
So now I'm gonna do shade my under eyes. I'm gonna go in again with Aquaholic.
She's going in with that first orange shade she used all over her eyelid.
I think I'm gonna do something a little crazy and take Juicy, the orange color again, and drag it.
Actually pretty cool. She took the brightest orange shade that we put in our inner part of her eye. So this shade and this shade, remember we mixed them together. All right, so contouring my nose is like my favorite thing ever.
I'm gonna use Barely Legal from Kylie Cosmetics. I love this pink color. I Smile.
That Barely Legal blush looks really pretty, but we're affordable. So I have the Wet n Wild Icon Color Icon. This one is in pearlescent pink. The lid is actually broken off, but who cares? The product's what matters, and it's great. She applies it on the little apples of the cheeks, powder off. All right, so she just put some mascara on, but she has the false like individual lashes. So let's make this fair. I'm going to apply some strip lashes. The ones that I'm going to apply are from the brand Kiss, and these are Page Boy, that's what they're called. All right, so I did that. The glue probably hasn't dried completely, but she went ahead and added some mascara on top. So I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is by L'Oreal.
I use brown on the bottom because I don't like too much mascara on the bottom.
And then unfortunately, I do not have a brown mascara. I'm going to use the same one and just do a very light coat on my bottom lashes. Like that.
Now I'm gonna do some highlighter.
I really like that highlighter, and I wish I had a drugstore gold highlighter, but the only drugstore highlighters that I have are the Wet n Wild. This one is in Blossom Glow, and I also have another one. This is my favorite one.
Little on the tip. I'm gonna try one of my new glosses and see if this works out.
All right, I grabbed the Milani Keep It Full Gloss in Soft Rose. And she just did it in the center of her lips and blended it in.
It's kind of fun. Brow gel. I take the tip.
Hers was definitely lighter, but mine's not a tinted brow gel, but this is from BH Cosmetics.
Drowning in blush right now, but it just makes me feel like my whole look is complete. And then I just...
All right, and then last but not least, she wanted her makeup to look less powdery, and she used some facial spray. This is the Hydro Milky Mist from Pixie. You can find this at Target.
And less powdery. All right, well that is my beat face.
It was actually really fun following this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye guys.